Learn English to Khmer. I need, in.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
Welcome to Need Mode. Hey, you're here to learn one super useful phrase today, and honestly, it may save your day, your trip, or at least your dignity. Let's make Khmer practical, memorable, and a little ridiculous. Today's key phrase is, I need, in Khmer.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
This is the phrase you use when something is necessary, not just nice to have. So this is not, I want cake. This is more like, I need water, I need help, or, I need more time before my brain starts buffering. Your main phrase. Say it with me slowly first, then with confidence like a traveler who forgot 3 important things. English, I need. Khmer.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
Break it into a rhythm.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
Again.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
Think of.
ត្រូវការ
As, need, something stronger than just wanting. Useful examples. Now let's plug real words into the phrase, because dramatic survival language is strangely motivating. I need water.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការទឹក
I need help.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការជំនួយ
I need more time.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការពេលបន្ថែម
One more time, with confidence.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការទឹកខ្ញុំត្រូវការជំនួយខ្ញុំត្រូវការពេលបន្ថែម
A funny market scene. Let's put the phrase into a mini story, because your brain loves stories almost as much as it loves snacks. Imagine you are in a busy market in Phnom Penh. It is hot. You are thirsty. Your bag is heavy, your phone battery is dramatic, and a parrot nearby keeps yelling at random people. You point at a bottle and say.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការទឹក
Then you cannot find your friend, so you say.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការជំនួយ
Then the parrot flaps its wings and screams.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
Until someone offers it fruit. Congratulations, even the bird is learning Khmer. Memory trick. Here's a quick trick to make the phrase stick in your head instead of escaping 5 seconds from now. Picture yourself at your front door before leaving home. A huge sign flashes.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
It reminds you to take what is essential. Use this rhyme idea. I need, and, trovkar, become linked in your memory. When something is truly necessary, your brain hears.
ត្រូវការ
Add movement. Point to yourself for.
ខ្ញុំ
Then stretch your hand forward for.
ត្រូវការ
Now say it with the gesture.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
Mini dialogue. Time for a tiny conversation. You listen first, then you jump in. A. What do you need? B.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
A. Water? B.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការទឹក
A. Help? B.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការជំនួយ
A. More time? B.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការពេលបន្ថែម
Quick drill challenge. Your turn now. Answer out loud, even if you're in public. If people stare, they are simply jealous of your language skills. How do you say, I need, in Khmer?
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
How do you say, I need water?
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការទឹក
How do you say, I need help?
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការជំនួយ
How do you say, I need more time?
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការពេលបន្ថែម
Need versus want. This little difference matters, and it makes you sound more accurate right away. In Khmer.
ត្រូវការ
Expresses real need. It is stronger than simply wanting something. If you are thirsty.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការទឹក
Makes sense. If you just daydream about dessert number 4, that may be more of a want than a need. Your stomach may disagree, but grammar remains calm. Travel power tip. Here's why this phrase is such a champion in real life. When you travel, simple survival phrases are gold. In a shop, on the street, or in a pharmacy.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
Helps you ask clearly for what is necessary. You can imagine yourself in Cambodia saying it politely while shopping or asking for directions. It is like a small language key that opens useful doors. Friendly conclusion. You did it. One phrase, lots of real-life power, and hopefully one unforgettable parrot. Today you learned, I need, in Khmer.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ
You also practiced.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការទឹកខ្ញុំត្រូវការជំនួយ
And.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការពេលបន្ថែម
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use the phrase in your own examples, and come back tomorrow so your Khmer gets stronger one useful sentence at a time.